Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will tell you about the point light. The point light is an omnidirectional point of light, that is a point radiating the same amount of light in all directions. It's visualized by a plain circle dot. Being a point light source, the direction of the light hitting an object surface is determined by the line joining the light and the point on the surface of the object itself. It can also be used as a simple model of, for example, a light bulb. So for this, open the blender and delete this object. Go to add and create a cylinder. Now go to add light and point. This is the first option and here is the second option. This is light. I'm trying to position it on my object. Just like this. I hope you can see the shadows and the light. You can move this light anywhere you want to. So this is light and we are working on point light, and this is preview. This is color. You can change color if you want to. You can change power. You can work on 800 volt or 1000 volts. It's totally up to you. You can change volume, specular, diffuse, and radius. Just skip this part. It's not necessary. So this is so easy. You can move this light anywhere you want. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and this is the easiest way you can use a point light and render your images the way you want to. And I open the camera and capture this image. I'm just moving this light around my object. I hope you know very well that how to add camera. If you don't know, you can watch my tutorial. Kindly subscribe my channel and like this video and leave thoughtful and beautiful comments. Thank you so much. Love you all. Take care. Bye.